Hi, this is Sin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an application that uses the UITabBarController. Let's start Xcode and create a new project. It will be a Windows-based application. Typically, you would use the tab bar application, but for the purposes of our learning here, we'll stick with a Windows-based application. We'll call this tabbed app. We'll create a couple of classes that's going to be controlling our tab views. They will be based on the UI view controller. First, tab view controller. Let's create another one. Again, based on the UI view controller. Second, tab view controller. I'm going to rename the zip files and remove controller at the end of that. Let's expand our resources and move our zip file into the resource folder. We'll open the first tab view zip file. Open the view, change the color to maybe something like red. Let's open the second tab view zip file. Let's change the color of the view to maybe blue. Exit out of Interface Builder. Let's go to let's see, the tab, the delegate of our app here, the header file. Let's declare the controller and make that into a property. Okay. Let's also go to the delegate itself and synthesize the tab bar controller. Let's add its view to our current window. Now if we run this, we actually won't see anything. Let me go ahead and compile it to make sure there are no errors. Everything successfully compiled. Let's go to main window.zip, and this is where we need to do a little bit of work. We need to add a tab bar view controller. Expand the tab bar controller here. Select the first tab. Set its class to our first tab view controller. And for the second tab, do the same thing. Set it to the second tab view controller. Now let's go back to the actual view controller itself. Click on the view and change its nib to the first tab view. Click on the second tab and do the same thing. Change the nib to the second tab view. Now click on item number 1 and click on it again. So you're clicking on it twice, not double clicking. We'll change the identifier to search. Now we'll click on item 2 and click on it again. We'll change the identifier to bookmarks. Okay. Now we need to associate our app delegates tab bar controller to the tab bar controller we just added. And that's it. Let's go ahead and close this. Hit save there. Run it. We now have two tabs. One is in red and one is in blue.